Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer coming to you from Children's Museum Houston, and this week we are showing you how to make some awesome cowboy hats. And I am joined here by my friend Riley. Riley, say hi to everybody at home.
Hi.
Riley, is this your first time visiting the museum? It is your first time here? Welcome to Children's Museum Houston. You get to show everybody at home what it's like. Very cool. So these hats, if you come visit us at the museum this week, at the tables, we'll have a big old piece of brown paper that looks like this, and it's got a whole pattern and everything already there. Now, if you're doing this at home, you can make hats in a whole bunch of different ways. You can make newspaper hats, you can make hats using tape, you can take an existing hat and decorate it with different paper. But if you want to make your cowboy hat, this template is actually pretty easy to draw. You just need to make a big old brim, and then in the middle, we're going to cut a little bit of a space, and then another bit on top of it that we're going to fold up. So once you see what it looks like, I think it'll make a little more sense. But this is something you can do at home. You just need to make sure it fits your head. So we're going to start off by just cutting out this center part of our template, and then we're going to add a little badge so that we look, you know, super official, right? And we'll show you what those hats look like. You ready, Riley? All right, you got your scissors? I got mine. Let's start getting ready to be cowboys. Yeehaw. So if you want to cut in the middle, we don't actually want to cut all the way through our hat to get to the middle. So one thing you can do is just fold it in half, the spot where you're trying to remove, and just make a little cut like that. Then when you open it back up, you can get your scissors in there. A little hard from this angle, hang on. There we go. You can get your scissors inside and you can cut out that inner part. So this is what we've cut out so far. Now again, the reason we have this little space in here is we want to make sure we have room for our head. If it's a little small for you, as this might be for me, you can always cut a little bit more out. But the other piece of this, we're going to fold this up along a line. That way our hat will sit up nice and tall. And we're going to add a badge to the front. So we have our official Children's Museum Houston sheriff badges here. That's what we're going to add. At home, you can decorate any badge you'd like. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. Riley's going to do the same. We'll attach them to our cowboy hats, and we'll show you what they look like in just a moment. And there we have it. Our hats are complete. I had to cut mine a little bit bigger to fit my head. Totally fine. But we are both ready to corral and to sheriff and I don't know what other cool sounding maybe we should just say yee haw. You want to try that with me? Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yee haw!
Oh, now we're official. Perfect. Thank you very much, Riley, for helping me show everybody how to make these awesome Yee Haw hats for our friends at home. We will see you all soon. Riley, can you say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.
Bye.